Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Kinder Beauty box for August 2021. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we got this month. So here is the card. It's got a picture of the box on the front, and would you look at that? They're no longer sending you to a link where they give you a description. They're putting the descriptions on the card, which I've been saying for months they should do. If they're going to give you a card, they might as well put the descriptions on the card, not a link to where you can find the descriptions, because that didn't make any sense. So I'm very happy that was instated. Pretty exciting. So we have 6 items in the box, but only 5 descriptions. So one of them must be like an extra little freebie. Let's go ahead and get started and we'll figure out which one is. So the first thing here is a box from URSA Major. These are essential face wipes, 4-in-1 face wipes. So there are 5 individually wrapped wipes in there. It says they clean, exfoliate, soothe, and hydrate. I would say if you use makeup wipes, this might be a nice little thing to get, and I would encourage cleaning your face after using this. Don't use this as your sole cleanser, but excited about that because that's something I will in time use. So pretty cool. Let's read about that. So that 5-pack is a $6.50 value. These face wipes clean, exfoliate, soothe, and hydrate for the ultimate on-the-go face treatment. Do it all in one. Do it all in one swipe with room in your carry-on to spare. So yeah, these probably would be good for travel. Let's see where we go next. Let's do this one next. So this is the Franklin & Whitman Hair Serum Nourishing Formula with Argan Oil, Jojoba, Lavender, and Orange. It's called Old City, so maybe that is the name of the fragrance. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. Austin was downstairs playing with the cat, so I'm thinking they're probably getting into some sort of trouble. So let's see. This is a $24.95 value, which is a lot for this little container, so that's kind of impressive. But also, I don't know if these ingredients warrant that price tag, but whatever. This hair elixir uses argan and jojoba oils to give your hair that glossy, frizz-free, just conditioned look that you've only seen in shampoo commercials. Prepare to shine. So this is something I'll definitely use. I just said in a Petite Four video, I love when we get hair products because we don't often get them, but they're always something I'll use. So that's exciting. 2 for 2. Next we have, and this has got like dust from the filler papers all over it, so let me clean it off. This is the Eco Lips Lip and Cheek Tint, featuring naturally moisturizing jojoba oil in the color Nude. So that's what that looks like. And this is an $8.99 value. Go nude with our new favorite lip and cheek tint made with hydrating organic jojoba, coconut oil, and cacao butter. This mineral-based tint is smooth and lightweight, giving you a natural summer glow. So let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Hold on. Gotta peel the seal off. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like there might be some shimmer to it. It definitely has a fragrance of some sort. It smells really good. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I can... Looks like there's rosemary extract in there. There's a flower extract. Ah, hibiscus flavor. That's what it is. Yeah. It smells really, really nice. I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch of this. Okay, and I will have to say, I'm really wiping this on, and it's super sheer, which I actually kind of like, being that I am super duper pale. So you're only going to see a wash of this on your lips, and on the cheeks it's going to be very natural looking. I kind of love that. Can't wait to test this out. Really pretty. Such a pretty color. I need a tissue to wipe my fingers off. Yeah, That's exciting. That's super pretty. Well, we are 3 for 3 on products so far. So let's keep going. Next is from Grace and Stella. It's the Deep Sea Mud Mask. It says, meet mud, your skin's new best friend. It's in a little bit of an ombre package. And then it's got this nice little twist off top. I like these kind of tops. They're easy to grasp with your fingers, even though that's such a minor detail that really doesn't matter. So this is a $12 value. If you struggle with acne, this mask is nature's way of throwing you a bone. This mud mask swells when wet, binding to impurities in your pores. Once dry, it draws out those impurities into its center and out of your skin for clear, blemish-free complexion. Does it do that? Who knows? But I like masks, so this is kind of a fun little thing. So far, I've like 4 products that have come in the box. I'm assuming this is the last official product because it looks like a substantial product. This is from Earth Harbor. It's the Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum with seaweed peptides and hyaluronic acid. I think I might have just finished another product from this brand, actually. That should be in my empties this month, so keep an eye out for that. Sorry if you hear the bell toy downstairs ringing. Like I said, Austin is playing with the cat. So let's read about this product right here. This is a $45 value, the Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. This plumping, replenishing serum combines hyaluronic acid with seaweed peptides, pomegranate, aloe leaf juice, vitamin B3, blue yarrow to hydrate and replenish the face. So the other product that I finished from this brand actually was blue too, so that's kind of funny. Just a weird little coincidence. Let's read the ingredients. Pomegranate fruit juice. I need to research that. It's the very first ingredient. I don't know if you should be putting fruit juice on your face or not, but I need to look into that. So aloe vera, pomegranate seed oil, that's probably fine. Everything else so far looks fine. Lemongrass oil, that's probably not so great for the face. I'll need to research that because I don't know a lot about lemongrass oil. I know lemon I wouldn't put on my face, but I don't know about lemongrass. Blue yarrow flower oil, which I'll also need to look up. So this one is kind of a needs some research. Don't know if I'll be putting this on my face or not. Let's see if it has a scent. Oh yeah, that scent is strong, very lemon citrusy. So this is making me nervous. Not something I think I'll end up using, but I am going to research the ingredients to get a little more knowledge on my side. And then the last thing in here, which is not one this, so it must just be a freebie, is from Liquid IV. It's the Hydration Multiplier, and it is in the flavor Lemon Lime. So I guess it's just an electrolyte drink, which is kind of cool. I like to throw stuff like this in with my fruit smoothies because I don't really like drinking them on their own, and if there's any benefits, then it's great. But this is a little extra freebie, and I love when brands do that and include a little extra something. So I would say, with the exception of this product, everything else is pretty exciting. I will be happy to use all 4 of these. So pretty cool. I would say this is a pretty good box. And if nothing else, at least with the research that I do on the various ingredients in this, I'll gain a little more knowledge and information to keep in the back of my mind for future products. So there's that. But this is very highly fragranced, and I feel like that lemongrass oil is probably not going to be good for your face. But I'm going to look it up. This hair is driving me nuts. Like, what are you doing, little hair? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Did you get this box? This was the marine box. Or did you get the other one that they offered this month? Let me know. What was the different products? Are you enjoying them? And hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around for a while. I'll talk to you all later. Bye!